For SNHU, we've had a long history of delivering diplomas, first via a bus that went across the country to deliver diplomas to online students who weren't able to come to commencement. And that was a national TV ad campaign that I still, no matter where I'm traveling, and say I work for SNHU, they're like, "You're the school with the bus." But that is authentically part of our brand narrative. And while the bus isn't on the road anymore, there are a number of students who can't make it to commencement every year. And we do still use the surprise element of bringing diplomas to them and surprising them. So that has been really helpful for us. We had a 94-year-old student based in Hawaii about 5 years ago, and her story really went viral pretty quickly. We were able to surprise her with her degree, and she said one of the quotes that really took hold was, what am I going to do all day? Like watch Netflix? And I'm sure Netflix wasn't happy with their with their Google alerts that week, but that quote like really resonated with a lot of older people, right? And so looking for those unique stories that again will show somebody who, you know, not what they see in TV or movies about what traditional higher education is, but showing that it's possible. If I can do it, then, or if they can do it, I can do it too.